Hello everyone, today we are here at the Taubman Center at Lawrence Tech University in Southfield, Michigan. And check this out. You can actually see the water supply pipes. It's pretty cool. Anyway, we have a Schindler 338. Let's take a ride on it. There's fire service. Machine room is right here. Here we are at 2. Oh, 605. June of 2005. Alright, let's take a ride on the Schindler over. Here we go. We're at 4. Going down?
Yeah.
Which one are you going to?
Excellent.
Yep, you're welcome. Let's get a look at the Fixtures Schindler HT. Here we go. Let's go to 4 one more time. We'll go outside and ring the chime. Get a cab view. Pretty big over, 3,500 pound capacity. Very nice. Besides the door is kind of questionable. Let's watch the arrow go out. And that will be it.